Hello, hello. Okay, great. Now it looks like my microphone is working properly. I just have to decrease the volume of the music and let's get started. I'm just removing this grass from the town because the town is not supposed to have grass for the ground. I will just remove all this grass first, then I will get to some UI stuff. Very nice stuff. The character equipment, the character inventory, and all that. Okay, I'm just removing now. Yeah, let's remove all. Let's remove all. I just wish there was some kind of tool so that I can specify the bounds on the terrain and it would remove this specific texture from it. That would make my life easier instead of having to go through all of it like that. All right, I would just have to suffer through it. Well, it's not too much to be honest. Now I'm just speaking to myself. I also do not have dual monitors, just a single monitor for now. So I have to switch to OBS every time I need to look at the chat, while assuming someone types anything in the chat. That is, if someone is watching. Just removing all of this because it's really not needed. Okay, now we got rid of the grass on the outside. I just have to remove it from inside this building. Also, the building does not have any interior. I removed all of it. It used to be a library or something like that. So I just removed everything because I do not plan on having interiors in the game. You can't just go inside buildings anymore. Too much trouble, to be honest. But dungeons and things like that, they will exist. I hope they will. Oh, damn. I feel like I removed a huge chunk out of the outside. So I will just decrease size and start deleting trees. That's good. Let me look at the outside. Yeah, remove these. Anything outside of these borders, it does not have to be outside. So anything outside has to be removed because this will be like what is called, you know, it will have the ground texture, not the grass. So it doesn't make sense to have trees planted on that texture. You will understand in a bit when I get to using it. Okay. Um, Anything else outside? Yeah, just remove all of that. Although I'm not going to use the ground texture out here, I still don't need all these trees. I have so many trees on the terrain. It's ridiculous. So I would just start removing all of that. It's not really needed. Some of the trees that are essential to the environment are prefabs instantiated as prefabs, so they will not get deleted even if I try to delete them from the terrain because they do not exist on the terrain itself. I feel like I'm explaining too much. I will stop explaining now. No, that's all. texture. Okay, let's get to the drawing. That's not it. I do not know which one is it. I have no idea which one is it. I think it was called pavement. That's it. Yeah, that's it. So now you understand why I do not want trees out here. So I will try to paint everything outside of these like tree borders, just so we can have a bit of grass and trees in there. So it's not just dead. So there will be some greens inside. Okay, let's do it like that. I feel like there's something that might help me draw this a bit faster. But let me also close this tab and close the profiler as well. Damn, what's this? No problem. It's not a problem really. Okay, I have a good idea. I have a much better idea actually. I will just increase the size of the brush and paint the whole thing. And then I will use a smaller brush for the trees and such. So if I go here, I will also paint this. I feel like the strength, okay, the strength is just fine. I will paint this right here, like so. Please don't mess up. Yeah, just paint all of it. Yeah. I feel like this brush needs to be changed. Okay, let's try this one. Yeah, looks good. Let's also do it here. Man, I love this texture. I love it. It looks very nice. It matches what I have in mind. So when I envision the town, I actually see something like that for the ground. So this is very much perfect for what I'm looking for. Okay, now I have to go back a bit, redo this. Okay, I feel like I should leave it as it is now, because if I try to go here, it will just go past the borders. See? Yeah, it just goes past it. So I will just leave it alone. And here there are too many trees. It's just too many. Remove this, remove this, remove that. Also remove this and remove this. Oh, that's weird. Yeah, remove all of these. Actually, they're not needed at all. And there are some trees inside the buildings that we do not need. I feel like they are being rendered, even though they're behind the building itself. I'm not 100% sure, but if I just remove them, why is it glitching like that? Hold on. What's wrong with my camera? Occlusion culling, yeah, let's turn that off because it's enabling the occlusion culling. Yep. Yeah, perfect. This tree is not being removed. Okay, now it's removed. Okay. Perfect. Let's also just paint the rest of this because I forgot. I will paint the rest of this because there's really there is nothing here. There are no trees, nothing. So I will just paint it up to here and leave this because there are some flowers and some grass brushes. Yeah, same for this. I will just leave it as it is. Yeah, let's paint this. I think in some other tools and in some other engines, it's way much. It's a lot easier to paint the textures, and it's much easier to create terrains. Even some very old engines like the Torque 3D engine, I used it for quite some time, just messing around with it, and the terrain painting there and the terrain creation in general was way easier than Unity. So it's crazy that Unity having all these tools, but the terrain is very bad. Unfortunate. Yeah, let's increase this. Oh, damn. Let's make it 10. That's a big star. Is it a star though? Yeah, it looks like a star. Yeah, to be honest, I will just leave this as it is, just to save some time. And I will come here, choose another one, slightly bigger. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. See, it looks kind of outside of the borders itself, but that works. I don't want to spend too much time on this. I need to get to the UI very fast. It's just a change that I wanted to make, but I have been delaying it for quite some time. I just wish I knew how to fix these. You know how to like remove this without causing too many issues. What if I decrease to 0.1? Even the minimum is okay. Let's make the minimum 0.1. Damn, 0.5 is like the very minimum. Even if I decrease it to the very minimum, see, just paints the whole thing. What if I do lower strength? I think it works. Nah, it's not working really. It's not doing anything. Damn, I wish I could just paint just a little bit. I was talking about not wasting time, but I'm wasting my time now. Apologies to myself. Let's just increase this to 1.5. Hello. Yeah, paint all of that. Paint. I think the brush is not good. What if I use this one? It's the default. I remember there was a package for custom brushes that was very nice. I wish I remembered the name though. Forgot the name. I'm sure if I search terrain brush on the asset store, I will find it. And yes, I use assets. This town is a free town from the Unity store, but it actually like it fits perfectly for what I'm going for. Everything about it, the library, the buildings, um, the textures, everything, and it doesn't look very high quality either, which is what I'm going for. I don't want something very HQ. Yeah, looks good. Let's just do this one pretty quickly, and also let's just go over all of them very fast from the top view so that I don't waste so much time zooming in and out and not doing anything on the UI because it's very late here. It's 2 a.m. So I might find myself falling asleep because terrain is terrain painting is very very boring to me. Very boring. Yeah, I don't care anymore. Just get this done and, and keep going. Yeah, just do it. Actually, this. I miss my glasses. My glasses are gone. Damn, what's going on? What's missing? Ah, this one. Okay, just please end it. I have to go. How long have I been doing this? Oh shit, 20 minutes doing terrain painting. Even if someone was to watch, they most likely have left. Okay, just this one. Just to end it. Because this doesn't make sense. This will be the last one, I promise. 3, make it 3. Just perfect. Yeah, town looks nice. What if I played? I don't have the server running. Okay, we'll run it very fast. It says attempting to reconnect. Okay, now it's connected. Now I'm in the game. Just speed myself up. Mute the music. Oh, too many. How come I did not notice these? Like, can I remove them? I can't remove them. These are not. These are not. What is called? These are not terrain objects. Yeah, these are not details. See, I'm holding down shift. It's not. Okay, it looks like this is from Gaia itself. Or the Flora system. Flora Global. What if I decrease the density? Increase. Nothing is happening. Decrease. Increase. Distance 0, 1. Yeah, it's not happening. Okay, let's try to figure this out. Flora. Actually, let's not figure this out. Let's just move on to the UI. This does not matter really. Game UI, player equipment. Okay, so this is the player equipment UI. Yeah, there it is. So one thing I'm trying to do is have the player inventory, shrink it down a little bit, make it the same size as the player equipment, and like merge the two into one UI. That way, we would have a UI with 3 item slots and some kind of pages, just like the usual thing in MMOs. Like you would have bag 1, bag 2, bag 3, um, and then basically both would be connected together. They're both like, yeah. This is the inventory script. Trying to figure out how I moved the inventory itself, because yeah, there it is. From the name, yeah, from the name background, which is the name of the UI, I have this component that I made, and I give it the movable transform. So when I click this and try to drag, it will move this object. Where's my? Okay, how do we do this? So this is the player inventory. Okay, let's just make a copy before we mess this one up. And then first we um, we will have to truncate most of these. Okay, let's just leave up to 3 slots. So the 0, 1, 2 will be visible, and the rest are invisible. And then we shrink this like so. That way we would have one. Oh, hold on. Where is it? Oh, there it is. Okay, so these are the slots. Shrink it down and move these to be inside, right? Just a little bit to the right. Yeah, I would say that looks about right. And then we would shrink down the inventory to match the height of this guy. Oh, I can actually just copy the height, which is 515. Ah, feels like this is too much. Because I have it scaled up. Yeah, that makes sense. That explains why the inventory was too big, because I had it scaled up for mobile, because the game was optimized for mobile first. Then I had to like scale up most of the UI because it was very small for mobile. Okay. Yeah, that looks right. Um, Now, how do we merge the two into one? We either expand this one, expand it like so, and then invite this guy. Just make a copy and tell this guy to join us. just disable this one and collapse that one. So what would happen would be like this. Shrink it down a little bit. Then we do this. We would actually have to remove this name background. We would have to remove the button. I think I would have to also remove yeah, the character view is like a second camera that renders a clone of our character, an exact clone of the character that we're playing with, but not the same character, because if we were to render the same character, then we would see all kinds of weird shit. And we can't actually rotate our character if we wanted to look at it in the inventory. The way I know games do it, they basically spawn a clone of your character somewhere in the world, far away from the character's view, and have the main camera. What is called? Yeah, the clone mask have the main camera just not display that player, and you see, if I uncheck the environment disappears. The town disappears basically. So we will have everything unchecked except the clone player layer. Then it would only render that, and it will render it to the target texture that we specify here. It would also apply everything here. It would apply the process layers. It would apply. I don't need the sound, of course, and I don't need the camera controls. But yeah, I don't know why I'm explaining this. So let's just get to this. 48, 48. Hold up. Yeah. So if I decrease these to 48s and have this 32, 32, doesn't make sense really. Let's say I needed to fill up to this point. Huh. See, it looks okay. Yep, that looks perfect. So 44, 44.5, 44. Perfect. Actually, let's make this 44 as well. Yeah, that looks very nice. That looks very, very nice. Not gonna lie, it looks very good. It's 44, 44. I feel like it's not working with this one. What's going on? Oh, there is some position stuff here. What happened? What if I? Oh, that makes sense. Now that makes sense. The position is not. It's not perfect. Oh, yeah, that explains. That explains what. So what I would do is I would just copy the component and just go here and paste it. Yeah, if I pasted it, it just does not work. That's crazy. Why so? See, that's weird. That no, that's very weird. All right, so I will have to basically just wait. What? What's that? Oh, that's the empty shield image. Like there's no shield, but it's just an indicator for this slot. Right. I think it looks nice. Let me double check from the UI. Yeah, it looks nice. Same here, 44.5, 44. I will just adjust the positions and everything. Actually, let's do 44, not 44.5, please. Right. Trousers 44, boots 44, shoulders 44, 44. Let's just change this a bit. Okay. I think that fits. Okay, let's try this one. Okay. Okay, that also fits. Hands. Oh, hands do not fit. Hold on. Yeah, now hands also work just fine. Same goes to the chest. Alright. Now we have how many pieces? Now we have weapon, shield, chest, helmet, trousers, shoulders, boots, and hands or gloves. Now I will just have to move these a little bit like this. Then I will select the ones on the left. Don't select the helmet. Boots and trousers. Then I will move them like so. I feel like I should not actually have. I do not. I feel like I have to remove this frame from inside the inventory. It looks very weird, but I'm out of options here. So I will also adjust this to match. Yeah, a little bit down. I hope this works. I hope this really works. Okay. What if I scale it down to 0.8, 0.8? I did not really have to scale it down on the... What just happened? I did not have to scale it down on the z-axis. Yeah, that's very small. That's very small. What I can do is I can actually have it. I can have it outside of this. But then if I move this, like if I move this, it will not move this. So that's a problem. Okay, now they're attached. So I just have to make this a bit taller. Or I can just leave it as it is. Yeah, I will just leave it as it is. It looks weird when I stretch it out like that. Damn, that's very tough. I did not think about it. I just thought I should have both connected. Okay, let's see how much space it's taking. Okay, I will remove the frame. I will just remove the frame. The frame is very much unnecessary. And the hands and the equipment themselves. Character view, where's the character view? Yeah, let's remove also these. Let's delete them actually. Let's scale this down. Expand the inventory a little bit. maybe. I have a better idea. Inventory handler. I will just call this the inventory handler. Damn, this is so weird. Let's remove the thing, and I'll move the equipment out. I'll move it out of the inventory, like so. Yep. So when you press I, it will just pop up the inventory and the player equipment, right? What if I changed the size? And I'm so yeah, fuck that. Let's make it on the right, and let's increase it. Let's just increase the size. Let's move all of these guys up. Move them. Damn, what the fuck? I don't mean to do that. Okay, I just moved them up. Weapon, chest, trousers, boots. Move them to the right a little bit. Okay, helmet, shield, hands, shoulders. Move them to the left a little bit. Put this up. The inventory, make it smaller. A lot smaller, actually. Move the name background up like that. The exit button outside and move it here. Okay. Now we're on to something. Let's also move these the slots themselves. I need this to only handle 3 slots, so I will have to decrease the size even more, and also decrease the size of the slots. Actually, let's just. I feel like I squished it so much. It looks very weird. Let's just stretch it out a little bit. Damn. Should it be 3 slots or 4? Um, for every row. For every row. Yeah. Column. Okay, that's 1. Column 2, 3. Row 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, that's very tall, so should not be a problem. Or you know what? I just had an idea. Squish this, make it a lot smaller. Now let's see if we can drag these down and make them fit. Oh, that's perfect. Yeah, that is perfect. Even though the exit button is like very large, it's actually way beyond the actual size that we need. Wait, what? This 32? No way. Then why was this 64? Hello? 32. What's this? So what am I changing? Oh, I'm changing the button. Okay. Let's make this 24, 24. Yeah, make the button. Actually, leave the button 32, 32 as well. Yo, you know what? 16 by 16. Yeah, this thing should be very small actually. I think this makes more sense. Then we look at the inventory slots themselves. They're all 64. What we should be looking at is 48 for the borders and the 32 for the items, item icons. So 48, 48, and the item icons are 52. Let's make them 32. Actually, 32 is very small. 42. Yeah, 42 is nice. 42, 42. The best part about this is that you don't really have to do much um, for the inventory slots. Let's move this up. Although I feel like it looks very weird. Oh, that looks very nice actually. No, it doesn't look weird. Yeah, that looks great. Um, damn. How many slots did I assign to the player? Let me look at the player manager. Where is it? Game managers. I hope you can see this. Yeah, you can. Game manager, CP, player manager, 30. Okay, 30 slots for the inventory, and seven slots are for like the equipment. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, I should have 8. Oh, you know what? I should have 7 actually because I removed the shoulders. The shoulders, like the chest comes with the shoulder pieces. Until I figure out a way to separate the shoulders from the chest, because I have not figured that out yet. Okay, so I actually forgot what the slots were for the equipment. I will have to go to the source code for the server. This is what I do for the server side. Positions. Okay, 0 is for weapon, 1 is for shield, head 2, chest 3, hands 4, legs 5, and foot are 6. Yeah, these are 7 items. Do we have space for another item here? Because I feel like there's too much space here. What if I move this just very close like that? Yeah, we have space for one more. Just space it out a little bit. Okay. Let's also enable this one. Whoa, this one is messed up. Almost at 48, 48, 48, 48. And the item inside is 42, 42. Take this guy here and put it there. Actually, we should move them to the left a little bit so that they're not touching the edges of the frame. Yeah, that looks nice. That looks very, very nice. So what I should be doing is, I should be copying these. Never mind. Yeah, I will just delete all of that because they're not needed. Yeah, I will just delete them and copy these. I don't understand the naming the Unity editor uses. I'm pretty sure I fixed this. Like I made it name the assets. Like if there's a number, it will increment that number. There was something like that in the editor itself. Oh, what? You can't see? You can't see the editor. Why? I hope that was not the case for so long. Okay, you can actually see the client. What if I switch to the server side? Yeah, you can't see the server side as well. I don't know why the scene switcher is not working. Scene switcher is active. Well, it says it's active. Okay, you can see the client, but you can't see the server side code. Yeah, that's not good. I actually don't understand the scene switcher. The scene switcher is very bad. Oh, you know what? I have a better idea. Where's the display? Yeah, I think this works better actually. Space before number in asset names. So if I copy these, damn, it's still creating these weird numbers. Damn it. Let's just. This will be 4. This will be 5. This will be 6. This will be 7. Yeah, it's not matched on the x-axis. Let's move them a little bit down. Let's move them down again. Let's move them down again. I feel like these are too many. More than the allowance, which is 23. Yeah, that's the maximum that I will go for. So 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. That's like 28, right? Let's remove the last 4. And let's remove this one. Or you know what? Let's leave them. Yeah, let's remove them. Let's remove them. Let's not leave anything. There's no need to leave. 9, 10, 11, 12. Usually I would just write a script to generate these dynamically, but I learned to take advantage of the canvas system that Unity provides, which is a smart way to create UI. Back then I used to basically write all my UI code in a custom UI framework. For every game that I made just custom UI framework, and within the UI framework I would create a wrapper for Unity UI. That's the only way I would use UI. I would write UI by code. I never like wrote UI otherwise. Okay, slot 10 item. Hold on, I have to. Gotta show an example. Yeah, let's go. So in case you're wondering, what does UI framework mean? This is what the UI framework is. So the model here is the UI model, and the model itself has an initialized model void, as you can see, and it has a bunch of functions. Hold on, I will show you. The UI model itself does not have much, just initialize, and there's the destroy, which is by default when the game exits. But the view itself comes from the DLL. See, this is the UI view, which is basically the equivalent of a canvas, but something I made up, something I came up with when I was trying to be creative. So affected by escape, so that if you press escape, it will close. Is dirty, requires redraw. Default UI elements, initialize, update. There's also an update set enabled for some set element enabled. If you have the element ID, the way we would initialize elements is very unique. See, there's this panel for the shop. This is another MMORPG framework, by the way. The panel ID, I would go to the view, get element, give it the name of the element, and then try to get the identifier for it. Name background is basically when I try to implement the drag and drop. Here's the drag and drop actually. There it is dragging UI, dragging, and it's a boolean. If I'm dragging, well, if not, there's no if condition here, but there is a drag event that is sent every update to notify this view of the dragging status. So what this does is the base view event is going to the view itself. It executes the event. I'm not sure if I can see the source code here. Oh, I can see it. This is decompiled, by the way. First it checks if it has this element, and then it goes to the event type. There it is. Event dragging, if it's enabled, if the element is enabled. then it executes UI event for the element. UI image, which is used for the panel, by the way. There it is. Dragging. If I'm dragging, there's an offset. If there's an offset is added. The anchored position. Then I get the drag component. By the way, get component here is not related to the mono behaviors, because this is not a mono behavior. This is an engine agnostic framework that uses names similar to the Unity engine. The drag component itself is a UI component. UI component. Fixed update, on update, mouse enter, mouse exit, on click, on destroy, execute, which is called on execution. There's also the tooltip. Yeah, if you're interested in this kind of stuff, there is video here on my channel. Where is it? Yeah, these 3 videos actually cover creating UI from start to finish using my framework. Real MMORPG development live stream, come watch. Real MMORPG development quests and UI, and the MMORPG Unity 3D real live raw programming, quest list, UI, and more. Yeah, these 3 videos are very much important to understand. Let me mute myself also, just because. Okay. Slot 11, slot 10. I'm pretty sure this is slot 9. 11, 8. Okay, there's 8, not 0, 9. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18. So I don't understand, how is it only 18? Oh, yeah, that's 18. So, nah, hold on. This is 19, right? Damn, I'm confusing myself with my own math. That's not what I'm looking for. 30 minus 7. Yes, it's 23. And these are 0 to 18 is 19. So I'm missing what? I'm missing 4. How did I miss that? Damn, that sucks. 19 background. So I will have to match it to this guy. Please. Hello? Ma'am? Click. I can't click on the UI. The x-axis 75.6 minus 147. Okay. Yeah, that sounds about right. Then I create 3 more. Move them like so. $20, 21, 22, 23. So this is actually 24, and I should disable this one. What I should do here as well is execute in, okay, item icon. Oh, it's trying to get the icon name. Yeah, let's not get the icon name. Let's get the name of the object itself, just to name ourselves after it. Yeah, this is 7. Perfect. I will make it boolean here is equipment. Yeah. Just to make sure everything is correct. All of these are not equipment. So what we do here is perfect. The name background would move. So these are all the children of this. And then every time I try to drag the name, it would drag everything. Like it would drag the entire inventory, which is this. Now, we go to the gold. Let's move it up. Increase it a little bit. why is it's very small? Okay. Stretch and stretch. I don't want it to like, I don't know if it's possible, but I don't want it to be like squarish. See, it's not filling properly. I need to fix this. Oh. Okay. Yeah, that looks nice. Maybe. I think so. Yeah, that looks decent. So this is the gold icon. And this is the gold value. Increase the width. What's going on? Whoa, what? I'm not dragging the icon. What's happening here? Yeah. So let's see how many numbers it can handle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 numbers. So about how much in a billion? 9 or 10? Yeah, let's keep it at that number. Let's go to the player equipment. Let's test out our theory with the player clone, prefabs, objects, player. Let's create a new object here. So what we do is have to remove this, have to remove the input, the movement. Damn, which will, okay. Move the movement. What the fuck? Shh. Sound manager, audio, capsule. Just make sure that we do not actually apply any of this to the client, just in case we mess up. To the actual prefab. Layer would be layer clone. That's the player clone. And the tag would be NPC. Yeah, because this will not be played. Also scale it a little bit down. What I would do here is go to resources, raw textures, create one. Where's raw texture, render textures, player clone texture. Give it a what's the resolution of this? I don't understand what's this in real life numbers. Let's say 720. It's in 3D. Anti-aliasing? No. Dynamic scaling? No. So what I would do is take this object, move it way down, remove the player name from it, remove this weapon trail, create a new camera, dash to this player, 180. Don't clear. Oh, solid color. How to make this transparent? I don't even know. Depth only. Don't clear. I think don't clear is transparency. Maybe. Far is 50. And this will only render the player clone. Including calling, we don't need that. Depth. And we go to the inventory, character view, give it this texture. I'm sure there is a way to refresh this in play mode, though I do not have an idea how to do that. I think it was like this. Refresh, always refresh. How to make this work in scene? Okay, let's just play the game, see if it renders. Great fail. 3D textures with depth are not supported. 2D. Oh, if I make it 2D, it works. Damn. Why is the player looking like that in this texture? Enable map maps. Enable map maps. Auto generate. Clamp point. Trilinear point. Still don't understand why it looks very bad. It used to look good. Damn, this guy looks very bad. I need to disable this, yeah. He's very stretched. Oh, 1080, 920. I don't think that made any difference. Damn. Where's the Y from the X? I think this is the Y. This is the X. 1080. So how do we fix this? If I stretch it out, he works. He looks better actually. A lot better actually. How to make the camera ignore light? Orthographic. Oh, I can make it orthographic actually, yeah. That looks a lot better. Because it's a 2D camera, so it doesn't make sense to keep it what is called. You know what? Go back to perspective. Rendering path forward, not deferred. Deferred looks a lot better, see? Depth. It's not depth. Physical camera. Okay, so I need to create a mask for it. Like, I have to create one. Where is it? Okay, I will make it an image first. Give it these bounds. Mask. Then I come here. Mask. I think I misused this. Yeah, I misused it. I don't know how to mask what is called this guy. Yeah, don't mask. Just move him a little bit. Stretch him up. Looks very weird. What if I scale him down a little bit? Because I had him scaled up. Yeah, I think that looks better actually. Not sure how it looks like in game. I can always press play and find out. feel like I have to stretch him up. Does he become fat if I... What if I do this? Yeah, now he's like very, very fat. Let's make him thin. Now I need his sword and everything to be not affected by light. First, I will have them all not cast shadows. Don't cast shadows. Blend probes, nothing. Dynamic occlusion, there's nothing. Shield mount, remove the shadow casting from the shield. Remove the light probes. Same for the sword. Remove the shadow casting. What if I used an unlit texture? That looks very bad. Yeah, I need to somehow have the sword like light. Like there's light going to the sword. One thing, we can just create damn, this is very stressing. Before we unpack completely, because I do not want this to affect the real prefab. If something happens to the real one, I will be very sad. Okay. What happens now is we test out the game, but first we go here, inventory handler, disable it. I'm pretty sure there was some kind of key to show the UI. Key code .I. Yeah, there's UI inventory. Where's UI inventory? Ah, there it is. Inventory is actually inventory handler. It's no longer slots. Parent is now this object instead. Let's also drag drop all of these. Okay, let's play the game. How many errors do we have? None. FPS is not bad, 120. And the inventory looks very bad. Damn. Yeah, the inventory is very small actually. Okay, let me play maximize first, just before I judge. Yeah, maximize the inventory doesn't look that bad actually. So these slots are actually empty. That's why there's no tooltip. Tooltip works here as well. If I move it here, I have some breakpoints set. Please, sir, stop. Okay. One tactic that I like to use when this happens, do this, scale up. Whoa. Yeah, now it's a lot bigger actually. Well, not a lot bigger, but it's a lot easier to see. And this guy has to move to the left like that. And we have to shrink him down again. But if I shrink him down like that, then he is not even visible. He's just, he looks like a hot dog. I will like my video. I can't move to these slots because, see, they are not set up properly. Now we set up the inventory equipment slots. The weapon UI inventory slot info. Why is it disabled by default? I have no idea. Actually, let's do try. You know what? Let's not do that anymore. We already have these guys set up. So okay, this slot is 0. This slot is 1. Why is it disabled by default? I have no idea. There is no canvas attached to slot 1 object, but it's trying to access it. What canvas? What slot 1? Where? Where is it trying to access it? Weird. Okay. These are the inventory operations. Weapon, shield, head is number 2. Head is helmet. Enable it. Chest is 3. Chest is 3. Hands is 4. 4 hands. Trousers is 5. Boots is 6. I will leave shoulder there just because I have ambition to fix it one day. Also, I will not fix the wrong positioning. Also, that reminds me, I have to go to the world item database. Yeah, this is the builder for descriptions and stuff like that. There should be a player manager. Yeah, there it is. So what happens here is try add item. Where's your inventory? Oh, there it is. So it tries to get the items. Update slot. Okay, if it's update slot, this is a slot 0 0. So if it's 0, it should remove the item icons. Update slot item is 0. Ah, damn it. Why do I even check this? It's not even used. What the fuck is it? Yeah, this is not even needed. Now this should fix the items that have icons. It will remove them. Also, we should go to the inventory, do this, grab these guys, and drag them here. Can I drag them up? I can't. Unfortunate. I can't just select them all and drag them up at once. But I have an idea. So what it's doing here, inventory slots, slot minus equipment. That's very weird. That's very weird. I have to fix this. Slot minus equipment slots. If I don't fix this, now it's going to be very much troubling. Yeah, let's remove this. Yes, please. Make it slot. Let's not use this equipment slots anymore because it will cause too much trouble. And let's clean this out. Add the equipment first. Then we add item slots second. Now we have 30 slots, but we have to rearrange. Weapon is 1, weapon is 0, shield is 1, helmet is 2, chest is 3, trousers is 4, like, right? Hands is 4, trousers is 5, boots is 6. So I noticed something that I might have forgot about, and it's in the inventory slot where it tries to get the component of the first item, the first image. Do we have that here? Yes, we have it. Nice. Now I will attempt to move an item to the weapon slot, and if it works, I will say that's a success. What? What happened? Holy shit. Okay, hold on. Private sprite, default image sprite, default image sprite equals item icon sprite. So I will just cache this sprite. So if item icon sprite equals null, actually it shouldn't even reset the item icon. Why is it resetting? Item icon dot sprite equals icon. Hold on. Why is it resetting? That's okay, that's weird. Okay, let's try again. Whoa, what? Oh, it's disabled. Damn. Okay, let's make sure if is equipment. If it's not an equipment icon, I know this code is very bad. Please don't. Item icon dot sprite equals default image sprite, and so the equipment will default to the default equipment background, instead of having an empty icon, it will always default to the equipment background. What? I just made sure it doesn't happen. Why is this disabled? Why is it disabled by default? It's literally disabled on everything. Dot enabled. Item icon dot enabled. Okay, slot 6. There is no canvas attached to the slot 6 game object, but a script is trying to access it. Probably need to add a canvas to the object. I'm trying to add it here. I just added it. Okay, hold on. If image canvas equals null, you know what? Let's use the Unity way. I really hope this works because I need it to work. It has been almost. Wait, who's messaging? Oh, I can send messages from the thing here. Hello, sir. My name is Bako Ibn Tadukib Third. I'm an entrepreneur from Nigeria, and they would like to play your game. Yes, of course, sir. Hold on. I might just have the perfect key for you. I had a key that says nah, never mind. Yes, sir. That is if you're still there participating. Why does oh, I forgot to enable the components. Yeah, make them all enabled. Let's try again. My family will be very happy. You can auction that key for so much money. But why is the image why is the image disabled though? Okay, hold on. If the sprite is null or item icon enabled equals false, is active. Actually, item icon game object set active. Don't understand why it doesn't. I don't understand why it just does that. Disables itself. By the way, can you give your opinion on the UI? See, it doesn't look very good. It looks very bad actually. Well, I think it looks kind of bad, but I did not want to like have to separate um inventories, one for the equipment and one for the items. Yeah, now I don't understand what's going on with this. Okay, so the image itself is being disabled. Oh, hold on. Yeah, now I see it. Item icon enabled equals true. Just enable it. If it's an equipment and it's disabled, just enable it and set it to the default. It looks good for presenting it to investors. I think maybe the player model needs to be adjusted in the frame, but besides that, the UI is doing its job. Yeah, I think the player looks very weird. Yeah, you see, I don't understand why he looks like that. Hold on, what if I rotate him a little bit? Wait, what's happening? What's happening to the guy? Ah, I'm rotating the camera with him. Okay, let's take the camera out and rotate the player. Whoa, now he looks good. Move him slightly to the left. Back. What do you think? Do you see him? I think he looks a little bit small. I need the camera to zoom in a little bit. 24, 25, 20, 23. Yeah, let's say 23. And just move him just a tiny bit back. Um, there is a slight, like, if you can see it, like, it looks very very bad. See the way, how to explain this? See, look at the sword. It looks blurry. It's like it's very much pixelated. I need to try something with the texture itself. If I go here, okay, if I do forward, it doesn't make much difference really. Including colon. Yeah, let me try this. Initializing none, four samples. Whoa, four samples. He looks very. Yeah, he looks very bad. I don't know what the color format is. Damn, I just messed up. Enable compatible format. R32. I'm just messing around with this. I have no idea what this is. Okay, so I should be looking for the RGB. UINTS. Yeah, there is only one. There's only this one. Yeah, let's leave it. Let's leave it at that. Okay, point. If I use point, it looks more, looks cleaner. See, yeah, like the details are more visible. Clamp, repeat. I don't think this does anything to the texture itself. It's not. There's no wrapping. Compare depth. Yeah, don't enable maps. What was it? Yeah, let's not go overboard with this. 720. Yeah, let's just give it 720. Also let's copy paste this. Okay, this is 23. The player position is, let's copy the player position just because I know I will forget it. Paste it. Okay, now the player is pasted. Whoa, what is this rotation? And the camera is 23. Now I need to do like player rotation. Let's create a new utility. UI player rotator. Mono behavior. Make this public. Also fix the namespace. Public void update. Oh, if input get key. If get key mouse 0 and interacting. I pointer enter. Yeah, that's it. Interacting equals true. Create the field. I pointer exit handler. M interacting equals false. So if I'm holding down the mouse button and I am inside this frame or whatever it is, it will rotate the character that I give to it. Transform player rotate around. Actually, I think it's rotate, just rotate. 0 player rotation Euler angles y plus time fixed. Yeah, let's do delta time and give it the rotation speed public float and rotation speed. Whoa, what's happening? Does not exist in the card. I I renamed it. Damn, I'm so dumb. Okay, participants. Now it's just myself. Now I'm alone. Where's the player? Where's the frame? UI player rotator. And this is the player. Rotation speed, let's give it 5. It's now 3:30. Okay. Whoa. I'm not actually dragging the mouse. That's the problem. I drag handler. Okay, let's remove these and only handle when dragging begins. So Also, let's make this guy spin very slow. He's spinning too fast. Yahya. Whoa, whoa. Why is... rotate around. Let's give it a point. Transform dot position. New 0 1 0 time delta time speed. Oh, angle is private float angle. Gaming development is sure easy. Yeah, very easy, man. Come work with me. It's very nice. You will not lose your hair. Well, you already lost it. Angle equals 0. Just reset the angle value. Gaming development is very much easy. Okay, now he's not rotating like at all. Hello. Sir, please, sir. Sir. Sir is not rotating. Oh, hold on. I'm not doing it right. That's how it should be. Then I would give it the angle. I'm not sure if that's how it should be. I'm just saying. I feel like I deleted something important here. Ah, I didn't. Just added. هروح لفين؟ روتيت يا عمي بالله عليك. نعمل ال begin drag. شيل ال on drag ده. انا مش متأكد ان هو شغال اصلا. يا رب. Oh, hold on. I do not have a raycast. Is raycast required for the thing? Hold on, let me make an image here. Give it a raycast target and make it transparent. Just so we can test this out. Yeah, it's not working. The guy's not rotating at all, and I need to see the value. Is it updating or? Yeah, angle is staying at 0. That means interacting is also 0. Well, it's false. That's what I meant. On begin drag, On end drag. Okay, I'm dragging right now. Like, hello. What if I disable raycast target from this guy? Yeah, dragging is not detected. It's not detected. It's not working. It's not working. Let's let's just debug. Whoa! What just happened? It's not working, sir. Sir, download. Sir, please, I have family, please. Download demo, please. Sir, my family will lynch me, sir. So it's interacting, it says, but it's not rotating. So time delta time multiplied by rotation speed, but begin drag and end drag does not work. They do not work at all. I drag handler. Whoa, what? Why am I did not delete this one. I drag handler. M interacting equals true. M is for member, by the way. Sir, please join my telegram. I promise game work, sir. Sir, download my game on Steam, sir. Still have pictures from 2021 when I was testing. That client is capped. Ping 300 FPS 60. I was testing with someone. I don't remember who that was. Actually, it could be you. Whoa, now he's rotating. But he's not rotating to my mouse direction. How to make him rotate to my mouse direction? Should I use Google? Oh, hold on. I already have that. I already have that function in one game I made. The museum. 3D, basic AI, interaction check. I think this is it. In scope, exit 360. Yeah, I have some 360 stuff in there. Show object information, interactable object. Yeah, this one. Oh yes, there it is. There it is. Yes, this will work. Whoa! Finally, I found it. Yeah, this should rotate the guy. This actually works. But now I have to make sure this guy is interacting with me. Now Okay. On pointer enter do nothing, and when the pointer exits, just reset the interacting boolean. And when I try to drag, he should try to drag. Sir, don't let me look into the game. I think it's because the server's offline. Give me a bit. I will. Okay, I think it's working. Yeah, it looks like it's working. Yeah, I have the server offline actually. I'm trying to push this update to it. Yay, the guy rotates just fine. The only problem is that you see his sword? It's just just goes through the UI. That's not good. So, let's just speed this up. Make him rotate very. Whoa. Which music? Which music? I don't have music on. Oh, the game music. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, the music is nice. Forgot which one I used. I think it was the fire thing. Yeah, this one. The UI does not look good, in my opinion. Music is haram, brother. Yeah, there are opinions on whether or not it's haram. I agree though, it's haram. Music is haram. Okay, please. So even the weapon is not going to the slot. I think it may be trying to drop it on the. Okay, that's weird. It's not working. I will try to debug. Yeah, it's not working on this guy. Why not, sir? Sir, please, sir. Alright, man, take your time. Now my mouse control is fucked up in the scene, see? I'm holding down the right click. It's not moving. That's why I hate Unity. Unity is fucked up. Unity, see? I can't move anything. God damn it. Let me save before anything happens. Good job. Yeah, even after changing the layout, doesn't work. What if I change scenes? Yeah, it just breaks and I can't move at all. I can't move. Fuck you, Unity. So this weapon has UI inventory slot info, but the item is refusing to drop on it. Why? I do not know exactly. Drop. Nah, it's not dropping. What if I drop it here? Okay. It's it's the same component, but it's not dropping. Bro, what? Not even touching you. Ah. Oh, it could be the UI intersecting. Um, the player frame itself. Yeah, this one. What if I disable raycast? Yes, please disable. Okay. Yay! Now it's moving. Now it's moving items. But item from is null. So the item from slot is 0. How is it 0? What the fuck? Oh, hold on, hold on. I think I know why. Because slot is dragged dot slot. So if it says the slot is 0, that means this item is treating itself as slot 0, which is not good. فيها كل حاجة إلا السلام. Reconnect failed. Okay, this is to move equipment. Okay, the position is to an equipment position, and if it's not the correct position, then we would just send back a message saying item moved, just to correct the position for the client. Item moved, item slot to item slot from. So basically The item moves back to its original position. If it's the correct position, we check, do we have an item? Oh, already equipped an item. First, we try to move this item back to the player inventory using the try swap items. Item 2 slot. Oh, item 2. Item slot 2. And then we go to the inventory. Inventory get empty slot. Item slot 2, empty slot. Then we continue with the equipment. What we do is if meets requirements, item from, and this is the entity ID. Then this player meets the equipment requirement. Then we would do this if inventory try swap items. That would be item slot from, swap it with positions. Oh, not positions. Item slot 2. That means we successfully equipped item. Then we send back this message. Notify the player. Item slot from. Okay, great. So else don't meet the requirements. Not don't, does not meet the requirements. Requirements. Then we move the item back to its original slot for the player, because visually the player is using client prediction. So wherever you want to move your item, it will go there. But the server then corrects it by saying, hold up, something is not right. Operation packet handlers. Let's just do inventory. Inventory packet world inventory. Yeah, let's call it world inventory, just because everything is called like it's called that. Public static void initialize, and give it the handlers attribute. Copy one of these. Inventory acknowledgement. Inventory ACK. And then we remove this. Logger is ClashingBlades. This is yeah, this is OpenRPG logger. So the acknowledgement packet is like what? For inventory operation, this is the action. Okay. action is message read value e inventory action, then from equals message read value byte var to message read value byte as well. If message remain higher or equal to 4, data is 0. This is for updating quantities. Message read value integer. Okay, switch action. Item used, item moved. Yeah, let's try the item moved. Where's the UI inventory? UI inventory. There it is. Public static void move items. Slot from and slot to. This is very quick and very nice. Slots. I'll turn off the music. Then we return. Alright, it's prayer time. I have to go pray. UI inventory, move item, from to, that's it. I will implement quantities later on, but everything is on the server side. Let me start the server side as well. Whoa. What just happened? Just disappeared. Damn. Whoa. Whoa. What the fuck just happened? Okay, let's relog in and debug. From 7 to 9, okay. Huh? Oh, hold on. It's because the server confirms. Yeah, because the server sends a confirmation. That's why that's why. Okay. Actually, don't confirm to the client. Yeah, I'll leave the client. The client will confirm on its own. Client knows. Okay, only move the item back. Like only send a request to move the item if something went wrong. Let me share my YouTube with someone. Whoa, what just happened? Jump again. Jump. Yeah, welcome back, bro. I will. Well, I just finished the what is called the inventory. Well, it's not really finished. There's a duplicate item here, but I think I fixed it. Let me try again. Now the player can equip items. Okay. Yeah, there's a glitch that keeps an item duplicate. So item serial is okay, hold on. Okay, I will move it. Alright, move it again. So it happens only once when I try to equip an item. It will not reset the item's original position, but the item on the server side is deleted. See? Oh, I see. I'm receiving the movement, which is not good. So I'm moving it from 0 to 9. That means what? Oh, that means there's an item there. Wait, what? I will just put breakpoints because I don't understand what's going on. So there's the position. Now it's 7, 8, 9. Okay, now I'll move it to 0. Okay, now it's going from, where's the slot? Yeah, slot from is 9, slot 2 is 0. Okay, so doesn't meet requirements. So I don't meet the item requirements. So what it will do is it will move the items from 0 back to 9. Ah, damn. I ran into the Stack Overflow because I'm using recursion. That sucks. I will fix this later. So that's the only problem that's happening here. And I think I know why. It might be because of this. If the sprite is null, and or the icon is disabled, and its equipment default image. I will put a breakpoint here as well, just to see if it's executing. Damn, I hate UI. Go like this. Okay. Alright. And it's not executing. Then what happened exactly? Maybe this one is not executing. Whoa, what? So nothing is is executing on the client. Then what's happening here? Okay, the items get reset. Now the client. Okay. Now the item ID is 1. Item serial is... And the slot for this item is what? This slot is 0. Oh. How is it? Where's this coming from? UI. Move item. Item 1. Move the item from 0 to 9. Okay. This is the item. I confused myself with my own code. Not the first time it happened. Ah, I see. Item 2, not item 1. So I was referencing the wrong item. So basically I was moving the same item to itself. Now it should work. Just add a separator here. Ooh, nice. Okay, 9. Nice. Nice. Yeah, it's not moving to the item, to the position. I need to see if it's what exactly is not working. Okay, this the stats. Required level. I'm level 11. Required race Arabic. Oh, my character race is Arabic, but this one requires Chinese. Damn, that sucks. Let's change that. Game. I think it was inside the game, or was it? Where was it? Actually, it was not. It was in Rider. Rider, Open RPG. B inventory manager, globals. Where's the globals? Yeah, there it is. So the race here, let's make it Arabic. Build again. Build the server. And it should update the client. And I will have to go pray in 2 minutes. Hopefully I can get this to work before I have to go. So okay, is it working? Okay, yes, it looks like it's working. Yay, it's working. What if I equip the shield? Okay, shield is working. Sword's working. But for some reason the shield icon is missing. It's not like, oh, his equipment is disabled for all of them except the weapon. That's why they're not displaying the equipment parts. Okay, now they're all equipment items. Try it one more time, very fast. Yes, sir. Okay. Oh, what? I'm not sure about that. Okay, we'll fix this very fast. OPS looks very nice. There's chat and everything. Can drag this, take it to another monitor or something. Slot 2, yeah, this works. This is working actually. Let's try again. Very fast, please. Nah. Who the fuck updated it? Now it's fixed. No, the code is not, it's not beautiful. But it works. Yes, and it works. Yay, amazing. Spawn 4, 1. Power 250. Pew, pew, pew. Combat. Spawn 5 of these guys. Now I lured all of them. They will all attack me at once. I should make a new command for the GM. Yeah, before I go offline, let's make a new command. Social chat. Cake monsters lore dead. Case GM. I will just make a command called GM. And I will have it. I'll have it make me like super strong. Base damage is 9999. Stats health equals. Yeah, let's update health as well. Defense. Base defense. Defense. Yeah, the stats need to be fixed. And it's time to go. And it will just reply, wow, GM. I very much like this. Nice. GM. Just made me. Okay. 4, 5. Oh my god. Damn. I'm destroying these guys. Oh shit. What the fuck just happened to me? Whoa, 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 whoa. What the actual fuck just happened to me? Wait, 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 wait. Oh, I see. Yeah, there's an error. Alright, goodbye.